tuning in. It's grind time, prime time, till the sun shines. Showtime, let's get it. The boy Limbs are gonna win.
Ben.
It's your boy Good Luck and Golden.
And if I just also end,
Hit the like button, share, comment, and
subscribe. Let's go, guys. So today we are back with something that has been requested for a minute. It's TXT, right? Tomorrow by Together. This is all of the songs that were released as part of the album, the new album, right? So they've all had solo songs and they've all had music videos done, and we're waiting for that, right? Now we got the time. As you can see today, we've got a new member here who will always be joining us. Goes by the name
Ben.
Ben. All right. So welcome, Ben.
Thank you.
Let's put you on some K-pop songs. We're starting with Starboy Yeonjun, Ghost Girl. Let's go. Curious to hear this. No subtitles. Why? Oh, maybe it's an English song.
You can be my ghost girl, you can take my soul girl. 나를 잃은 죄 전부 잊을게 real world.
That's the intro.
You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 내 심장을 터쳐 집에 닿은 채 나의 모든 걸
Reggaeton.
You can be my ghost girl.
That's for reggae.
I feel you 바라는 곳에 어디든 꼭 씹는 듯한 너에게 전부 지식할 듯한 감정 너만이 내 수 너만이 내 수 You're the one I don't wanna lose 지독하게 어디로나
Sound familiar, that part. There's a song like this.
Yeah.
You're Charlotte.
You can be my ghost girl, you can take my soul girl. 나를 잃은 죄 전부 잊을게 real world. You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 내 심장을 터쳐 집에 닿은 채 나의 모든 걸 안겨. You can be my ghost girl. All of my friends 날 보고 가보고. And I don't really care, I don't really care. 지금마저 천국이 되니 baby 함께 있어줄게. I love it, nothing can be scared. Darling, 너와 함께라면 걸어가 through the door. 미친 놈이라도 뭐 어때? 너로 인해 정신을 따라가 where you are. 어떤 이별에서 좋아해.
Wow, how did he shoot that?
You can be my ghost girl.
Vaping?
영원히 다 섞어도 더 꺼내는 heart. You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 나를 잠식했고 오직 나만이 날 숨쉬게 한 girl.
Ha, that shot.
Ghost girl. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna stay with you. I just wanna live and die with you. You can be my ghost girl.
He was drawing.
Yeah, he was an artist because when he started, he was saying like.
You can be my ghost girl.
So the song is about a ghost girl. But a lot was happening. He was drawing that.
That picture.
So it's. I'm so confused. Like he's singing for a ghost girl.
Yeah.
Like someone trying to like ease the info, like so that I can understand. Cause you feel me?
Yeah.
Like somebody explain it to me. Yeah.
At the end, he's trying to show us this ghost girl because there was a painting at the end.
Mm.
So I think he was singing for the ghost girl. We can't see her because she's a ghost.
But you know,
Yeah.
we come back to the point where he's saying, "You can be my ghost girl."
Yes. He's singing for her.
For the ghost.
He's the only one who sees the ghost.
Mm.
That's why he's drawing her, and then at the end we see.
Mm.
Yeah.
Why is this putting the can? Like, you can be my ghost girl.
You can be.
Because he's seeing her and letting her know. Okay, you see this shot with the butterfly?
Yeah.
Like, there was a lot happening. I feel like there's more to what we are seeing. And I felt like since we're many, maybe if I didn't get it, one of you maybe would have got it. It turns out these heads
You can be my ghost girl.
needs an update.
Yeonjun.
Like, they didn't put the drive in a you feel me, like the flash drive. You need to update it more. Right? Oh, you got it. Explain it. Master. I love the song, don't get me wrong. I love the song. It sounds very good. I love the way when it started, we see him trying to walk there. I felt even like that was another model. But when they zoomed in, I was like, oh, that's Yeonjun in his shots. And that's where the story started. Like, I was focused more on that and the song. It sounds very good. I love the reggae type of vibe when it started. It had those drums they put in the reggae. Yeah. When it started singing here.
Ghost girl.
Was it here? The one string guitar and the electric guitar they use in reggae, right? I like the formation of the song, but now the place where I was lost is the message of it.
The message.
Yeah.
The meaning.
What did he mean? Yeah.
Can ask him. But for me, who I have
Yeah.
just listened to it once,
Yeah.
tried to pay attention to the video and the lyrics at the same time, which is very hard.
Yeah.
I'll give you what I had.
Uh-huh.
He's singing for someone who he really admires.
Mm.
And you know, sometimes ghosts, they're like, I don't know how to explain it, but something that can take your everything, and it's
Yeah.
someone you want to give them everything.
Yeah.
You're not sure if you can have them, but
Mm.
they can, like, you know how ghosts are.
Yeah.
You can be my ghost girl, like, in two ways, two figurines. Like, you can either be that someone who I envision who is not there,
Mm.
but I know you are there.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, right.
Or you can
Making
either
sense.
be that type of ghost that I can give you my everything.
Yeah.
You know, like, that's what I have got from that message. Like, you can be either of the two. Either
Mhm.
that person who I give my everything, who I can't see, but you can control me. You can do anything you want because I like you.
Yeah.
I can let you control me. Or you can be that one who's not there, but I know you are there for me.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm starting, like you're putting lights and I'm connecting with the story. I feel like maybe I'm trying to complicate it, but everything is said in the lyrics. Like, it's when you read the whole thing, like, you'll understand the whole story, right? Because I was trying to like backtrack here and see, right? Under your control, I give you my all. I feel you wherever my feet touch. You feel me? It's like I'm entirely possessed by you, suffocating feeling. You're the one I don't want to lose. So it's basically like a ghost girl. Like, it might not be the girl might not be there, but she's there. You know how ghost is, right?
Yeah.
With your eyes, you cannot see that, but and then another point is you might be right. Like, maybe he's trying to make that perfect, ghost girl. He's trying to create to the, tossing and turning every night in my bed. So it's a ghost like only he knows, right?
Yeah.
It lingers, your shilot, like he's the shadow or something like that. The shilot, silhouette.
Silhouette.
So silhouette.
Schlotterbeck.
How do you
Hey, bro.
Be careful, you might get sued. Now we're going to Mr. Soobin,
Okay.
Sunday Driver official music video. So they were releasing these videos one day after, because Yeonjun is 13 days ago and this one is 12 days ago. Okay. And then Taehyun 9 days ago. So maybe those, okay. Sunday Driver. BMW.
Sure?
100%. Or it's a Volvo.
Something for
That's
us.
the title.
Yeah. Alright.
My bad. Sunday for us.
Something for us.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Leaves.
잠깐 있다 살아온
Yeah.
선 들뜬 시동을 걸어 너의 최애 플레이리스트 준비하게 널 데리러갈게 네 몸에 없는 날 발견한 그 순간 느리게 시작되는 drive 스쳐간 겹쳐서 고개 내린 귀여운 강아지 난 인사하는 너 Something for us 시간 먼저 느리게 느리게 가 잡힌 듯한 풍경과 꿈 같은 둘 Yeah yeah 그 하나하나까지 눈에 담아
Cute song. Hey, I was on the wheel.
Something for us 그 힘을 살랑살랑 달려 우리만의
Even in the desert. Free karaoke.
Even in the clouds.
Yeah. It's catchy. Wow.
This part is good. Reminds me of Jill.
Sunday driver.
I love that.
Sunday
It
driver.
reminds me of Jill.
Okay, this was nice. This was nice. Very nice.
Songs.
Very cutesy. Very mindful. Very.
Demure.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Like this song was self-explanatory. Like it was very easy to understand it. Like the song itself, it was catchy. You're saying, hey, you want me to explain?
Yep.
This is like, okay, let me explain. This is like, you know, like it's a Sunday, right? And you're going to pick that someone up. This is a love song, actually. Definitely, not actually, definitely. Like you're going to pick up your, maybe be it partner, right? Don't want to say girlfriend or boyfriend, but it's a partner, right? Who is basically a boyfriend or girlfriend. And then you take them on that drive, special person, right? So there was a metaphor for that plant, right? That plant, it was like that significant other. You feel me? You take them on that drive, you do all the things they're saying, all the places they're going, like, and the lyrics was just like saying basically what they're
And
doing.
Sundays are usually for chill days.
Chilling, yeah.
Go drive
Exactly.
and watch the sunset together.
We're driving
Amazing time.
and following the sunset. The sunset is the one leading you. Sometimes you just want to feel, you feel like driving around the city,
Yeah.
you feel me? Like getting that breeze.
Yeah.
Too bad we don't have convertible cars because it's a little bit expensive, but you can just roll down your window. Be careful, don't use your phone like this. Just put your phone in the pockets and open the window, feel
You
the
don't have
breeze.
the car, you go to the
We're in
bazaar.
Africa. As far as I'm concerned, as far as I'm concerned, when I get in Snapchat, like two of you, I see them driving cars on the weekend. So I don't know the rest, but two of you, I see you driving
Two
cars.
of you back in the corner, boy.
Ah, no, I'm not mentioning names. I just see like the one with the crown, one with the parcel, one with the.
It's Paso now.
ISIS. Yeah, there was one with the parcel.
Oh,
Figure out who is it.
okay.
But yeah, I was saying Sunday driver, it was beautiful. And it was a good twist. Because I was like, who's driving them? Because when
Oh,
the
they showed the
body was
track,
not,
yeah.
yeah, it was not paying
Control
attention
track.
and all that. And did you guys know, because another thing that felt like, hey, is he really driving? And it looked real. Like
Yeah.
one of the side mirror was folded. It's just a small detail, no one can
Oh.
see, but I
Before he
saw
was
it.
driving. Before he was driving.
Yeah, he was
Yeah.
driving when it started, right?
Yeah.
He was driving and then pay attention. His side mirror like this. It was folded in one shot. Where you gonna see? And I was like, how is he driving with one folded side mirror? So I got a clue there.
That chorus, bro.
After this, after that. The chorus is like Jin.
Yeah.
Reminds you of Jin.
Yeah.
Anyways, you see? This is folded, you see?
Oh,
And it's
okay.
moving. That little detail got me like, what's happening here?
That
It
car
gave me
was
a
back
clue.
there though, right?
Yeah,
No, it's not
that's-
backed. It's moving. It keeps moving. It's just because in the shot, it's still moving. It was just that one shot. Yeah.
Yeah, the way he sings, it's like
Jin.
Jin, bro. Yeah.
Reminds you of
The
Jin.
chorus.
It's very amazing, cute song, man.
It's nice.
Now we're going to Taehyun. Bad of Nights official music video.
Cassette. Wow.
모두 잠든 깊은 밤이 말을
I thought you guys can understand Korean. Why do you need subtitles? You understand, right?
모두 잠든 깊은 밤이 말을 걸어와 잠들 수 없는 밤 착각되는 시계 소리 도시의 소음만 점점 커져가 쌓여가는 선택 사이 불안함 속에 무거워진 어깨 어른이 된다는 건 뭘까 yeah, 전부 흐려져가 나에게를 변하게 burn up night 잠든 도시의 별빛 아래 고요한 밤 나만의 night flight 다 작은 점이 돼 back 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know You should let it go 조금씩은 감정들의 이름 반복되는 저마다의 이유 이 세상에 어떤 어둠도
That's unique. What genre is this? Trap, R&B, slow.
속에 널 떠올려 혹시 너도 그럴까 별을 향해 너의 지시 내게 닿게 기도하지 기억 있는 이유 별을 향해 너와 함께 나가기 위해 난 날아가 like a bird of night 텅구비는 불빛 아래 찬란한 밤 우리의 night flight 잠들지 못한 제발 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know We should let it go 같은 별을 바라보고 있을 어둠 속 날 떠올리는 이유 이 세상에 어떤 어둠도 언젠가는
It's very catchy.
Yeah. It's a really nice song.
Taehyun.
Bad of Nights. That was good work from them, man. So they're all like love songs.
Yeah.
Basically, this album maybe is it's a love song. It's a love album. Well, the name speaks for themselves. Together,
Night.
it's more about together.
Yeah.
So for you to be together and like every day and tomorrow you know never gets there. So it's tomorrow. You feel me?
Yeah.
Tomorrow never gets there. Yeah, if tomorrow never comes, why are you leaking songs now? tomorrow. If you ever say tomorrow, it's like for you to get tomorrow, you need love.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
For you to be together until tomorrow and tomorrow, what do you need?
Life.
Life.
Yeah.
Life here is an important thing, but what else?
God.
For you to be with someone, either it's a group, either it's a
There has to be a bond.
yeah, a bond, which love has to be there,
Yeah.
right? This guy is trying to harden his head.
Life
As usual.
and God. And
Life and God, you don't need love. It's hate. For you, it's hate.
no, I didn't say don't need love.
Yeah.
I didn't. I don't want. To
Okay,
look at
finish.
the past. The
God,
past.
life, and what? Money.
Life. Then you get that
Money.
connection.
Connection. What is the connection made of?
Eh?
What is the connection made of? Why connection? What do you need to make a connection?
You need trust, loyalty.
He's trying to harden his
Yeah.
head.
Yeah. We need that Ben 10 to unharden his head. You know, like Diamond hardening and stuff. Like, we need to
Diamond.
to what the process. The process is already done. We need to undo what is done. Even though like when the water is poor, it can never. Yeah. What drama we were watching, I was explaining something about that. It wasn't the water, but it was something else. Like when something is already done, it cannot be undone. Something like that. Anyway, yeah.
Part of the night.
Like tomorrow, for you to be together until the end, you need love. And well, this album is what it's about, bro. I'm figuring out. Now we're in the third song, and it's all about love.
You know one part of the night.
Who?
Go.
You know them? Who is it?
Mr. Lee comes out.
Mr. Lee. It was the bard of the night.
Yeah.
Okay. That was good work from Ty, and I really loved the way he was singing, the way he was putting his vocals and connecting the harmonies. Like there was a part where it sounded very
Yeah, the
very
best
nice.
part. They blended his melody with the beat.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, like he's really doing a good job. Shout out to
Yeah,
Ty,
that was
man.
amazing.
Now we're going to my boy Huening. You know,
In Mexico.
TXT, my boys, like they're all my boys. I like Yeonjun, Starboy, I like Soobs. Everyone is my boy. But when it comes to Huening Kai and Yeonjun,
Yeah.
always my eyes on them, man. So I can see it like it's got Mexican vibes already.
Yeah.
Dance with you. It's gonna be a dance song. Oh, thank you for this. I'm tired of reminder. Got high expectation, my boy.
Yeah.
Alright. He mixed falsettos and the vocals. Come on! Oh!
Yeah.
Is that him?
Yeah.
The producer played with his voice.
Yeah.
This is epic. Oh, hey.
Nice,
fire. So the full album is not only
Monterey, he
about
was in
love.
Mexico, bro.
And I dance with you.
He was in Mexico.
Okay. I'm excited to see the performance of this song.
For
because
sure.
The choreo seems
For
like
sure.
it's gonna be.
It's gonna have some like Michael Jackson type of vibes, yeah, a little bit.
Because it's not just a little bit of it. So.
Mm.
And the theme of the song is
Yeah.
perfectly poised.
Yeah. It's really amazing.
Yeah. Now I want to keep quiet and listen to you guys. I realize I've been talking too much.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me just chill and listen to y'all's opinions on this song.
I don't know if you guys have noticed something.
Yeah.
There is always a plus when a Korean singer
Yeah.
goes to, let's say, America, goes to blend in another place.
Mm.
You know, like in a video.
Yeah.
Like the guy is Korean, then it's Spanish kind of.
Yeah.
You see, when I think when a Korean artist like does a Korean themed music, I don't know because I've never seen a lot of them, but because I've seen a Korean artist
Yeah.
blending his art with other kinds of culture.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's always a
From
plus.
the outfit
Yeah, from the
to
outfit
the
set,
restaurant.
to the restaurant, to the
Money.
dancing styles.
It was in Monterey, Mexico.
Yeah. Have you been there? Monterey?
No, I've not been there, but I know the place.
You pronounce it really good.
Yeah. Thanks so
Okay.
much.
Okay.
Right. What you're saying is true. Like that's why maybe even most of them blend like their music with other
Yeah.
cultures,
Music too, yeah.
Afro, the dances and everything. Even most of the videos, not most, but
Yeah.
many of the videos,
Yeah.
like you can see them in different locations of the world, countries, right?
Yeah.
And they like to, even the dancers, bro, they bring in the videos.
Yeah.
Like you might find the diversity right there. Someone is black, someone is white. Like they like to blend in with.
Other cultures,
They can
yeah.
really adapt. Easy to adapt to
Yeah.
other cultures.
So-
it's a good thing. It's really
Yeah.
nice.
So jokingly, without even knowing this was shot in Mexico, we just say, "Yeah, Mexican vibe." You got that?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
it's
then-
Mexican vibe.
yeah. The guy with the guitar he just looked
Yeah.
like Mexican, right? And he started walking. Huening started walking
Yeah.
in the Mexican streets.
Mexican. Even he's wearing his outfit.
Yeah,
His
yeah.
outfit.
Like those cowboys
Yeah,
somehow.
like how- only a hat was missing.
Yeah, exactly.
But it was amazing. Also the song, the audio, especially the part
Yes.
that was
Yeah.
It was really nice.
The
So that was
did
the
beats
producer did his pitch.
Yeah.
The
He
producer-
raised
Yeah.
his pitch. Oh, lowered his pitch. Mm. Okay.
Yeah.
I also like the part after the original dance with the
Yeah.
that part. I don't even
Instrument,
what
yeah.
instrument.
The instrument was amazing.
It was very good.
Yeah, really good.
You know, funny enough, you might find that's his speech, but they turned it into music, like how
Yeah.
Jack U did with Justin Bieber's that song with
Yukon.
Jack U. Not Yukon. Back in the days, it's that famous song. Jack U.
It has the
Yeah,
better
right.
yeah.
That was his
What's that again?
vocal
Where are you now?
singing. Where are you now that I need?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're talking about Yukon.
He actually sang that, and they like did a lot of things to that. It was not even him. Yeah.
Then it become the beat.
Yeah, they made the
It's
sound
sort
to
of
the
like
beat.
auto-tuning or something.
They pitched it down and then they cut it into pieces and then they join those pieces.
Exactly.
Then it
Like
become
the crazy
a
thing
beat.
is, he didn't put a vocal of like ding ding ding. No,
Yeah.
he was just singing normal stuff, and they pitched it, cut it, and then increased it. Like did to make a whole new beat out of it. That's why when I listened, that I was trying to pay attention. Did he do that with his mouth? Is it the beats? That's only a mystery. Like he knows, and the producers and the people who are in charge. That was nice, man. So we're finishing up with our boy, Beomgyu. What was his show called? Welcome to Beomgyu. Yeah. I'm excited for him. It's called Take My Half. Okay. This is what they call this part. No
Air
parachute. Air balloon. Air balloon. Hot air balloon specifically. Is he on top of it?
Inside.
Oh. Storage box.
나 빼곤 다 망해버려 절이 없는 소원들던
Slow. Amazing. Showcase his vocals.
거친 내 손틈새로 행복은 새어나가기만 해
Nice. Harmonies.
더 가질수록 정해져 이 마음을 마주했을 때 이제 아주 작은 것까지 널 위해 밤을 비워둘게
Like a drama song. This song was made for drama. No, ain't no way. Wow.
정말 원하는 게 뭔지 너는 헷갈리지 않을래 줄어들던 작은 어깨 네 눈물을 위한 두희들 이젠 아주 작은 것까지 널 위해 밤을 비워둘게 In my heart 영원히 깊게 빈 상처가 메꿔져 You can take my 날 많이 내게 줄게 내어준 빛깔이 이제 행복으로 찬란해 You can take my life Just take my life Just take my life
It's a slow, sad song. It's like, what I like about it is those type of songs which showcase someone's vocals. For instance, listen the way it started. You can hear his clean, raw vocals. Listen. That's a guitar, right? Listen there.
나 빼곤 다
Clean.
말해버려 절이 없는 소원 빌던
And then when the beat dropped, you can even still hear even more.
Yeah.
So,
날 마주했을 때 이제 아주 작은
it's like a drama, bro. You're watching. It can use it in a
I
drama.
wanted to say the same
K-drama,
thing.
right?
Yeah, it was like I'm watching a
drama,
scene.
like Asian drama.
Yeah.
It was beautiful, bro.
Take my heart.
Beautiful. Shout out to
Take my
Beomgyu.
heart. It's like let it go. Like the
Take my heart with you.
Yeah.
Mm.
The artist put
Sweet.
a lot of emotion, you see, in his voice. It's really nice.
Why is it saying take my heart?
Yeah,
my
let's
half.
put it like, I'll leave half of it for you.
Even the smallest things.
Take my hand. It feels like I've finally grown a bit. You can take my half.
Yeah, because in the beginning he says what?
Uh,
I used to say like let it fall, but not me. Like you know, like when you have that idea like everything can fail, but not me. Just let me go. Now you are saying like it's okay. Let the both of us win. So just take my half
yeah.
and
You see even
win, I
here,
win.
even in this line here, he's saying like, wait, my little sunken shoulders become a dam for your tears. Like he's now like a support system for
A
that
shoulder
other
to lean
person.
on.
Yeah, something like that.
In the beginning
It's
was,
true.
You see,
me, but
Mhm.
now he's let's the both of us win.
Yeah.
uh-huh.
So you take my half, you have some, and I have some.
Right.
That's why even
Take my
in the
half.
video there you see there is a part like it's black, the other one is dark, the other one is light. Like,
Yeah, this one, that
Yeah.
part there, half. This is like a scene out of a drama. Bro. Look at that.
Yeah.
Half this, half that. Sorry, we are not screen recording anymore, but you saw the video, so you can understand that. I'll leave it half for
We
you.
both flourish together.
And the deep scars in my soul have already healed now. Take My Half. Like, it's deep, bro. You can, even if there was no subtitles, you can just feel this is a sad song. You can feel it.
Emotion.
Emotion.
I don't know if you can say it's not necessarily sad,
Mm.
but it's emotional.
Emotion,
Yeah.
sincere type of songs. It's
Yeah.
like those songs you can just smile watching, but you can be, damn, you
It's a
feel me?
comforting song at the same time.
Like that song, like it depends with how you're watching. Some you might be sad listening to it, but some might be like the message is beautiful. You're smiling a little bit. You feel me?
It can even be a support system to the fans.
Take My Half. That's just that title, Take My Half, has a lot of meaning. You can interpret it in a lot of ways. Well, TXT did not disappoint, man. Everyone showcased their talents and their vocals. Like, it's just epic. I really like how everyone's work was different in their own way. It was unique.
Explored different genres.
Yeah,
This
because
one was having the reggaeton.
Yeah.
this one
yeah,
having
exactly,
African
exactly.
music.
Because God gave us all our own talents, right? And our own, like, what they say, own talents, own image, and like that can be seen in your what? In your
Own perspective.
not perspective, but in the something that you're doing.
What
For
you
example,
deliver.
what you deliver, like them in this music, right? You can tell how everyone's different image is, and in the work they do, like the way it sounds like. It's very, very nice and creative. It was actually a good idea. Shout out to Big Hit for letting all the members do this. And I'm seeing not only this with 17s. We haven't got to watch the album yet. Another week down. Just because of the schedule is very tight, very, very tight schedule. But I hope you guys understand that. But yeah, I'm loving the way Big Hit is going right now. Sorry, Hype Levels. But yeah, Big Hit is still there. Hype Levels is going, like giving them chances of having
Expressing
songs,
their art.
expressing themselves. They did that with BTS. We saw that 17. Now we're seeing it TXT. Hopefully in Hypen, or maybe they even did that already, but we just didn't watch it. Oh, we watched it, we forgot. But I'm loving the way they're going. So it was epic. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay safe. Stay tuned. Peace out.